Alright, so this is what I'm gonna do is finish up the repair of the inside of the panel right here. It should be all dried and stuff. Sanded it down some more. I still wanna, reinforce the inside some more. Kind of OCD with certain stuff. So you got your fiberglass resin, your hardener, and your fiberglass mat. A couple layers of that. So let me mix this up. The fiberglass stuff is very, very strong once it's dry. So I'm gonna use this old screwdriver to mix it up, because once you mix this stuff up, whatever you use, it will not come off. So you better make sure it's something like some old popsicle sticks, toothbrushes, something like that. I'm gonna put it on there. So let me add a couple drops of this. First I gotta find something to poke a hole in it with. Let me see. Nothing to poke a hole in. Alright, poke a hole in there with that. Put about 10 drops. A little bit more than 10, but the colder it is, the more you want to put it. More drops you want to put in there. You want to mix it up. Mix it up pretty good. And it's the hardener that activates the fiberglass resin. Let me get this. See, this is the extra panel that I had laying around. So make sure you put some gloves on, because this stuff ain't no joke. Pour that on there. Spread it around, make sure you get in all the cracks. When it's wet, and once this stuff dry, like I said, it ain't no joke. Put your cloth down in there. And you want the cloth to soak it up. Another layer, and then you can trim off the excess when it's dry. It don't really matter. Just want a couple layers of this stuff, because when this stuff dry, this shit dry like a brick. Overlap the stuff. Let it soak through, soak down. I got about 10 minutes to play with this stuff. Last layer, put that on top. And hopefully y'all can see it on the camera. I'll pour the rest of this on. Like I say, this is probably overkill, but these motorcycle panels, they move around a lot. Stuff like that. Let that dry. And I usually keep this. So once I know this is dry, I know that's dry. So I'm gonna set this to the side. Let me wipe this off. I'm gonna use this again. See, this stuff ain't no joke. I hate this stuff. I hate it when it get on other stuff. And the warmer it is, the faster the stuff dry. I might heat it up some. Heat gun. Speed up the drying process. My heat gun at down here. This stuff stinks. Warm that up. So you wear gloves, because this stuff is no joke. Sand the excess stuff down. Get too much on. That's that. Let that dry. So come back in about 30 minutes. See where we at with that. Alright, so this is after about 30 minutes of me pouring fiberglass resin and laying the fiberglass mat down. And this is solid. They go from a liquid to a solid. This stuff ain't no joke. And but it's sandable after. It says after about 2 hours, then you can sand it. But you know, you don't need to sand it since this is on the back side. You want to reinforce it and make sure the crack don't split, stuff like that. So I'm gonna trim this stuff right here and fix the other side, and that'll be that. Fill that in, you know, sand it all down smooth, and keep it as a spare and get it painted, and we, you know, good to go.